In this video, I'm going to show you how to type Subscript in LibreOffice Writer using a super simple keyboard shortcut. This is a quick and easy method that's perfect for writing formulas, chemical names, footnotes, and any text that needs to sit slightly below the normal line. If you've ever wanted to format text faster without digging through menus, this tutorial is exactly for you. And if this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more useful LibreOffice tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open LibreOffice on your computer. When the Start Center loads, look on the left side under the Create section and click Write a Document. This will open a blank document where you can start typing your text. Writer is the word processing app here inside LibreOffice, and it gives you all the tools you need for clean document formatting. Now type your text normally. For example, you might type a word, a sentence, or even a scientific term. The important part is that you first enter the text in regular form before changing anything to Subscript. Once your text is on the page, highlight the exact part you want to convert into Subscript. You can do this by clicking and dragging your mouse over the letters or numbers you want to format. After your text is selected, press Ctrl and comma on your keyboard. That shortcut is Ctrl plus comma, and it will instantly change the selected text into Subscript. You do not need to open any extra menus or search through formatting options. The text will move slightly lower than the rest of the line, which is exactly what Subscript is supposed to do. If you want to go back to normal text, you can simply select the Subscript again and use the same shortcut to toggle it off, or use the formatting controls inside LibreOffice Writer. This is useful if you make a mistake or if you want to switch between normal text and Subscript while working on a document. This shortcut is especially helpful when you are writing things like H2O, chemical equations, mathematical expressions, or technical notes. Instead of manually adjusting the font every time, you can use this fast keyboard method and save a lot of time. The more you use shortcuts like this, the faster and smoother your writing workflow becomes. So just to recap, open LibreOffice, create a writer document, type your text, select the part you want to format, and press Ctrl plus comma to turn it into Subscript. That's all there is to it. It's quick, simple, and very beginner friendly. If you found this helpful, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more easy LibreOffice tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.